brightness on an aggravated battery.
How you doing? Thanks for watching. This is George at Wicked Warnings. Hope you all are blinded by the light. What we have here is a brand new F-450, not 150, not 250, not 350, but 450. Four-door long bed, limited. Not XLT, not Lariat, not Sport, not King Ranch, limited. And what you're seeing right now is the front flood feature, which is set up on the auxiliary factory switches. And what you're seeing lit up is our 8-inch Grille LED Kit offered on wickedwarnings.com, as well as our auto flasher module, steady burning the front mirror spotlights. This truck has a boatload of features. What we're featuring on it is our LIN-6 LED, our LED HAW Duo, our TIR3, our auto flasher module, and our 8-inch grill kit. Let me show you a little closer without all the brightness. All right, so now you can see the sexy beast. We stock the Black Series 8-inch grill kit because I like how it disappears into that dark void next to the oval. That's the one you can get on wickedwarnings.com. And here we go with the flashy. This was a build-to-suit job, so we did exactly what the owner requested. In the front of the grill, underneath the hood, we have our LIN-6 in a split green, white. We've synchronized all three to flash green and then white, which are currently blinding the camera. There you go. I can darken it up a little bit. It's kind of hard to see, but the mirrors are also flashing with our mirror mod. The LIN-6 are just killing the camera, as well as the roof. We have our auto flasher module on the roof cab clearance lights, and we have our mirror mod kit on the mirrors. Now I'm a little off axis. You can pick up the mirrors and the roof a little better. The roof is set on a very fast, continuous flash. We just elected to flash all 5 at once. You can do this very easily with our auto flasher module in the passenger A-pillar. And the mirrors are ping-pong pattern, left to right, very fast, just to keep a lot of movement and a lot of fast flashing up top. And as you can see, the green and white sync in the grill is just killing it with the brightness between the flashing. Now you can see a little bit better, more of the roof now that I got the LIN-6 out of the frame there. We're also featuring our LIN-6 LIN in a green-white alternation in the badges. We went a little slower with that one, in solid green to solid white. It's actually doing a quick triple flash, but the camera's just having a little problem picking it up. There's your daylight non-dark on the camera. You can see how it does a great job of illuminating that badge. And this is the primary focus for that LIN-6 that we put in the front fender badges, is back here on the blind spot area of the truck. You can see how that light hits you square in the face. So anybody that's in the back blind spot area next to the truck, this light is focused directly at them. Let me show you the rear. All right, out back, what we've done is we've removed the OEM LED from the cargo light above the bed there. We've installed one set of white LED HAW Duo, LD, low dome, and one set of green. Because we're installing 2 on each side, I went with the low dome, and also because that's the only option for the green. So we matched low dome white, low dome green. We kept the white in the middle and the green on the outside per client's request, and we've synchronized all 4 of the rear-facing green to fire together, both TIR3s next to the license plate, as well as both of the upper hideaways, which when you step back a couple of 100 feet or more, it makes a very impressive green flash. So if you are back far enough to where you can't distinguish which lights are actually flashing, you'll just see a monstrous flash of green. You can see our auto flasher module doing our triple flash alternation on the reverse lights there. That's the factory LED reverse lights that are flashing with our Wicked Warnings auto flasher module. And we've also put a rear flood mode as well. It steady burns the LED HAW in the cargo as well as the reverse lights. And we also incorporated the side badges into it as well. As you can see, when I kill the lights, it produces a significant amount of usable work light around the truck. So we have a front flood as well as a rear flood. And as you can see, when we flood the rear, we do not lose the 4 synchronized green lights for warning. So if you happen to have your flood and warning on, you don't lose all of your warning. Similar to the front, where we did not flood the LIN-6s. This entire project is controlled off of the factory auxiliary switches. Be sure to check the link in the description of the video. Click on the video and look in the Read More section on YouTube, where you'll find links to each one of these products, as well as a link to a package where you can have a cart full of everything it took to make this build. Thanks again for watching Wicked Warnings, your #1 source for construction and emergency strobe lighting, safety lighting equipment for trucks, F-450s, unicycles, bicycles, tricycles, SUVs, cars, boats, anything that needs warning. Check us out. Thanks again for watching Wicked Warnings.